Good evening everyone. As we know, this is the Worthington pump. With the help of steam flow, it will move the water piston. Above the water piston, we have the crosshead. The crosshead, as we know, is connected to the valve rod and joint. The valve rod and joint has the lock nut and adjusting collar. The valve rod is provided with loss motion to determine the specific stroke. As we know from here, too much of loss motion causes the piston to strike the cylinder head. Apart from that, not enough loss motion, the stroke will be shortened.
So the second part of this video, we're going to talk about the schematic diagram of the Worthington pump. This Worthington pump consists of two units of piston, one at the right and one at the left. Okay, now we focus at this part of the piston. We can clearly see that there is a crosshead at the midsection of this piston. Okay, mainly the function of the piston is to move to TDC and to PDC to create suction and discharge pressure. Now we're going to talk about the term loss motion. To know more about the loss motion, we must focus at the valve rod and joint schematic diagram. First, we must see the mountings. At the top position, there is a valve rod. At the second position, lock nut, then followed by adjusting collar, then valve rod joint, valve rod link, and the valve rod pin. First, to adjust the amount of loss motion, we must adjust the valve rod joint and the adjusting collar to about 3 millimeters. Okay, now we focus at this part, the adjusting collar and the valve rod joint. By adjusting the adjusting collar and the valve rod joint to about 3 millimeters, we can get a perfect reciprocating motion of the piston in this system.
Too much of loss motion, which is above 3 millimeters, it will cause the piston to strike the cylinder head. When adjusting the adjusting collar and the valve rod joint, which is less than 3 millimeters, will shorten the stroke and won't have a complete suction and discharge.
From this discussion, we can conclude that this term loss motion is very important for the good operation of Worthington pump. If there is too much of loss motion, exceed the 3 millimeters required, the piston will hit the cylinder head and damage the pump. If the loss motion is very less, the suction and discharge operation can't be done accordingly.